Hello students, welcome for the session. I'm Yogita. Our subject is secretary nursing and our today's concept is delusion. So today let us study about delusion. I hope you're not have any confusion with hallucination. Now we are going to discuss about delusion. Now delusion is known as a false unshakable belief of individual. Now here in delusion is one of the common symptoms what you can see with the patient with psychotic condition like mania, schizophrenia. We can see people are having delusion. Delusion means they're having false belief which is difficult for others to change. Now a delusion has got different types. Delusion of perception. Now delusion of perception means when this a false belief, this belief happened for the very first time, patient's mood get affect and the way they will pursue the things in a different way. So they are getting their own false belief about the things what they see and pursue. Now for example, when the patient go for a drive in a traffic, they can find the red color traffic signal. It's natural. Definitely, we all get a naturally we get this traffic signal which is red in color. Now, here, patient pursue that this red signal is indication of something miracle is going to happen, or they pursue that some aliens are going to land now. So this is the way they pursue wrong perception, a false perception. This is called delusion of perception. Next, delusion of grandeur. Here, the patient has got a belief about his self importance and self worth ideas. He feels that he is very superior, he is talented, highly knowledgeable, and he is born in this earth with some mission, with some purpose, and he's got a very good relationship with all the famous personalities. This is called delusion of grandeur, or also called a delusion of grandiosity. Next, delusion of reference. In this, patient has got a belief that others are talking about me. Sometimes patient may feel that in TV and radio, his matter is going to broadcast. This is called delusion of reference. Then, delusion of jealous. Here, a patient feels that his lover, partner, a spouse, they are unfaithful to them. Though they are very good, humble, yeah, kind, very trustworthy people, still a patient has got a belief that they are not good, they are bad, they are cheating. Okay, they are unfaithful to them. This is called delusion of jealous. Next, delusion of persecution. Here, patient has got a belief that others are going to harm him, threaten him, kill him, do some kind of harassment to him. So, this belief is called as delusion of persecution. Now, delusion of guilt. Here, patient get a belief that he is a sinner. Patient feel that I am a sinner and I am the reason to ruin the life of my family members and I am the reason for destruction of this society. So this belief is called delusion of guilt. Next, somatic delusion. Here, patient got a belief regarding a somatic functioning of their body. For example, patient may feel that his brain is rotating, or patient may feel that his heart is melting. So, related to the organ, yeah, body functioning, patient get a beliefs. So, this is called somatic delusion. Next, nihilistic delusion. In nihilistic delusion, patient feel that himself or others or this world is not existing. Nothing. We are zero. Nothing is exist here. So here, mainly we can see this nihilistic delusion in a patient who is suffering with the severe depression episodes. In severe depression episode, we can see this nihilistic delusion. Next is erotomania. Now here this is a condition where patient have a false belief, delusion belief that other person is deeply in love with me and in reality this other person is like high social status condition, or they are inaccessible. For example, now if I'm the person, I'm the patient, I have a belief that Shah Rukh Khan is deeply loving me, but in reality this person, that other opposite person, is belongs to high status where he doesn't know me. Okay, this what belief patient got, then that is called erotomania. Next is systematized delusion. Here, a false delusion is united by a single event, or they may feel that all these beliefs are united with single theme. This is called systematized delusion. Next, bizarre delusion. Here, patient will have absurd behavior, or they are having a belief that which is strange or false to his mind, his behavior, his person's thinking ability. So, this is called a bizarre delusions. So this is all about delusions. When you ask about delusion, you have to write about delusion. It's a false, unshakable belief, and is most common symptoms what you can see in mania, schizophrenia, other uh, disorders, anxiety or depressive disorders. Now I'm summarizing. We learned about delusion of reference, delusion of persecution, delusion of jealous, delusion of control, delusion of guilt, somatic delusion, nihilistic delusion, systematized delusion, and bizarre delusion, and erotomania. So please keep studying, keep reading, and I request you to keep watching so that I'll meet you in other class with other topic. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you all.